So today I want to talk about what you need in order to file overage claim, and also to what is the number one mistake that most newbies make. So this is the transaction history of a claim. And what a lot of times people do, well, let me back up a little bit. So when you're processing overage claims, there's three main things that are needed. One is the actual right owner. The second thing is the APN number, which is the identification of the property, which is called an assessor parcel number. And then the third thing is you do need a deed. I'm finding that consistently over and over in the different counties that I work, that there are a requirement to actually have the actual deed of the claimant. So a lot of times what I shouldn't say people, but what most newbies do, they make a mistake, or people will DM me and say this doesn't work. Well, what ends up happening is you're trying to file a claim on the wrong owner, number one. And then number two, if you don't provide all the right documentation, then you once again have not resulted in getting the overage claim. So one of the things I just wanted to show you is, as you can see right here, it has deed transfer 11/30/2011, trust deed mortgage 5/29/2013, and then the deed transfers again in 2013, and then it transfers again in 2020. So for this particular claim that I'm working on, in particular, I check the past tax records, and the recording date of the person that I'm looking for is 5/29/2013. Also, what you want to be very clear on is that you want a copy of the deed. And what that deed looks like is basically, it just says grant deed, or it will say warranty deed, just depending on what state and county. But you're looking for a deed with the claimant's name to verify that that person actually owned the property. What a lot of people will end up doing is they'll go up here, as you guys can see my little cursor where it says 4/8/2020, and they'll print this deed transfer, and they will, and they also think that this is the owner of the claimant. I do cohorts where a group of students, we all get together. I provide all the lists. I provide all the links and the information, and we basically process real life claims. And I always do a pre-assessment, and one of my pre-assessment homework is to find the right claimant, even though I have all the information. And so what I find is that a lot of the newbies will go right to the deed that is recorded of that year, as opposed to going to the previous year. And as you can see, there's a vast difference. However, there's a lot of other stuff that goes in it, and I don't have a lot of time on this video. But what I want you to get from this video is that when you're processing overage claims, you need to be looking for, number one, a grant deed, a deed, or a warranty deed. Every state and county call them different names, but most importantly, you're looking for a deed of record to verify that the claimant that you're filing the claim on actually owned that property in the past. I hope this helps. I also wanted to, let me see, does it have anything else on here? No, this is a different one. I'll probably do another video, because sometimes they have, like this one, it has trust deed mortgage. You don't want that. You want to basically verify that it's a deed. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel or visit my website. And I have more information and a free ebook for those that want to know more about tax deeds and tax deed overages. Hope this helped. Please like the video and subscribe if it was helpful. Thank you.